Machine tool is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of various machines to shape, cut, and form materials into specific shapes and sizes. These machines are used to create a wide range of products, from simple components to complex machinery. Machine tools are essential in the manufacturing industry as they help to increase productivity, reduce costs, and improve the quality of products. There are different types of machine tools used in the manufacturing industry, including lathes, milling machines, drilling machines, grinding machines, and saws. Each machine tool is designed to perform specific tasks, and they can be operated manually or automatically. The use of machine tools in the manufacturing industry has revolutionized the way products are made, making it possible to produce high-quality products in large quantities. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom packaging solutions for various industries. The company has been in operation for over 60 years, and they have a team of experienced professionals who are dedicated to providing high-quality products and services to their clients. Berkness Company understands the importance of machine tools in the manufacturing industry, and they have invested in state-of-the-art equipment to ensure that they can meet the needs of their clients. The company offers a wide range of services, including design, prototyping, and production of custom packaging solutions. They work closely with their clients to understand their unique needs and provide tailored solutions that meet their requirements. Berkness Company is committed to providing high-quality products and services, and they have a team of experts who are always available to answer any questions that their clients may have. If you are interested in learning more about machine tools and how they can benefit your manufacturing business, you can reach out to Berkness Company by visiting their Contact Us page on their website. The company has a team of experts who are always available to provide guidance and answer any questions that you may have. With their years of experience in the manufacturing industry, Berkness Company is well positioned to provide you with the solutions that you need to take your business to the next level. What is a machine tool and how does it work in manufacturing? A machine tool is a type of equipment used in manufacturing to shape, cut, drill, or grind materials into specific shapes or sizes. It works by using a variety of cutting tools, such as drills, saws, or lathes, to remove material from a workpiece. The machine tool is controlled by a computer program or operator, which directs the movement of the cutting tool to create the desired shape or size. What are the different types of machine tools used in manufacturing? There are several types of machine tools used in manufacturing, including lathes, milling machines, drilling machines, grinding machines, and saws. Each type of machine tool is designed for a specific purpose, such as turning a workpiece on a lathe or cutting metal with a saw. Some machine tools are also designed for specific industries, such as the automotive or aerospace industries. What are the benefits of using machine tools in manufacturing? Using machine tools in manufacturing offers several benefits, including increased efficiency, accuracy, and consistency. Machine tools can perform tasks faster and more precisely than manual labor, which can save time and reduce errors. They can also be programmed to repeat the same task over and over again, ensuring consistent results. Additionally, machine tools can handle a variety of materials, from metals to plastics, making them versatile tools for a range of manufacturing applications. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.